Good morning and welcome to the View Behind Blue Eyes, and today I'm here with Goosey. It's first time on Blue Eyes and we're here to see the Chilly Willy 2026 Ride Out coming down the Bedford Road from Northampton to Bedford. It's a great event. It sponsors charity for the air ambulance, and I'll turn around and I'll put on the screen. So they're coming down the Bedford Road this way and they're going that way. So when they come past, we'll film them as they come past, and on the screen now you'll see a barcode. So if you pause the video, you can scan on that and feel free to make a donation to the air ambulance, which is a lovely charity.
I won't say another word. I'm done.
I'm filming now.
It is them. Oh, they're
Here
early.
they come.
You weren't ready, was you? Oh, we've got to stop.
Crossing.
I'm happy for them too.
The guys
How long
come.
did they take?
Yeah, they're crossing.
Huh? Oh.
Trapped amongst them.
There might be one of these.
Might be if you wave. Get that milk float out of the way. Here they come. Star Wars coming. Hey. They'll tell you where he's for you. Monster, yeah. Coming down there now. Keep waving. Yeah. Oh, popping wheelie. Nice. Come again. Bigger than last year's, I think. So it's a great charity, all for the air ambulance. Go to the website, Chilly Willy, Northampton. Find the barcode, scan on it, and make a donation. Yeah, they're coming out in batches, this is why, but there's little gaps. But what did he do? Might have been, might have been. Come again. Here we go. Oh, that hurt. Oh, when he slapped my hand, that hurt. Oh, that's probably Mike because he's a bloody muscle man, isn't he? So.
I was going to do it, but I thought no. That's the one that came in.
Yeah.
That's Mike.
Yeah, it's Mike.
Bet you any money.
Still more coming. Had a good turnout this year. The 12th annual Chilly Willy Ride Out. Now they come again. Very good. Still some coming. Here we go. I think this is the end of it.
The end, isn't it?
This is the end. Yeah. And here they go.
Go back up that way.
One straggler. Trying to catch up. There we go.
That's good.
Alright, so that was 2026, January the 11th, Chilly Willy annual bikers ride out for the Air Ambulance charity. Can't recommend strong enough that, you know, check it out. Donate if you want to.
Than last year.
I would say that was a lot more. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. This has been The View Behind Blue Eyes. This has been Goosey making her first appearance on The View Behind Blue Eyes. And I'll see you for some more videos soon. Bye bye.
Talk to me, Goose.